welcome back to the channel. Did you miss me? I hope you did. Well, we're still on travel to Japan for free, okay? I told you I have more videos to drop on this topic. So today we're going to be talking about another company that will sponsor your visa to travel and work in Japan for free. And guys, if you have been wondering how to go about this process, stay with me to the end of this video because I will show you everything you need to know about this company, how to apply, how to go about it, and how to the salary, know everything about the company. Okay, so stay with me to the end of this video. All right. So guys, this company is called Interac. Interac is a dispatch company in Japan that recruits assistant language teachers. So you can see house job in Japan. Let's get to this. I will always say there will be some opportunity because you believe to yourself. Okay. So it's an assistant language teacher out in Japan. An out on assistant language teacher is a title coined by the Japanese Ministry of Education. Yeah, out is used to describe native level English speakers working in Japanese classroom. So you can see the responsibilities and duties of an out. You can take your time and read that, okay? Take your time and read that and make sure you read and you're comfortable. Yes, read and you're comfortable. Make sure you understand the company. If you have to dive into more research, please do. Please do. And they have their expectations from you out to be punctual. Should be punctual. Yeah, you should definitely be punctual. Be present, use English, be helpful to students. Yes, so as an out, you should definitely be helpful to the students you're teaching, right? Okay, we're going back and let's look at the requirements of an out. Yes, let's say be a native level speaker of English, have received an education conducted in English for at least 12 years. I said that. So if you have, you should apply. Have at least a bachelor's degree in any subject from an accredited university. Please go and apply. Be a team player that is professional, flexible, cheerful, and energetic. Go and apply and be under 60 years of age. Go and apply, guys. While not required, it helps your chances if you so this will help your chances if you get selected. Hold a driver's, if you have them, sorry, hold a driver's license, have teaching experience, have a teaching qualification, Delta, Delta, and TOEFL. So I dropped a video on my channel, okay, on how to pass the TOEFL certificate because I realize many people don't have the certificate yet because they always feel the test, they cannot get the test right. So you can go and check that and come and apply, okay? So you can increase your chances of getting shortlisted. Have studied a second language at school or university. They say not it's not required, but it's helpful if you have another language. Can speak some basic Japanese. Yeah. So there you go. And let's check the salary and job description. Okay. So they say yeah, Interact. We want to ensure that as a foreign English teacher living and working in Japan, you have enough to cover the essentials and enjoy your time of the clock. Yes, to say enjoy your time of the clock. As an Interact out in Japan, you will most likely receive a gross annual salary of 2.4 to 3 million per year, to 3 million Japanese yuan. We pay English teacher salary in equal monthly payment, so you're supported throughout the year. So you can take your time and read that. So the average salary per month for this company is 200 to 600,000 Japanese yuan, depending on your experience. Yes. And when do they pay teachers? They say the real start date for the company when they start here for this company is April. And if you start working in April, you get paid on next on 20th next month. That's May, the following month, May on the 20th. So just you know that will help you. Just knowing that will help you, okay? So let's see the apply to interact today. Okay, so look at this. They still talk about a salary. It's a 1 year contract renewable. Work from Mondays to Friday with a scheduled teaching hours between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Enroll in national health and pension schemes, sorry. Then paid holidays. a year. So their holidays are paid, unlike other companies who don't pay for holidays. They still emphasize on the requirements, which you already know, and they have application links for each and every one. So if you're a Japanese resident, if you're residing in Japan, if you're residing in Japan, sorry, you can click on the first. If you're in North America, click on the second. If you are in UK, Europe, and Africa resident, you click here. You have Oceania and Indo Pacific residents. They have their own link. Caribbean residents, they have their own link. Philippines, they always have their own special instructions. So if you're a Filipino, please take your time and read so you follow, okay? I am an African and I'll click here. Terms and conditions. Let's say personal information collected will only be used for the purposes of screening you for out. Yes, in screening you for the position, it may be necessary for us to share the following: your name, date of birth, and you can take your time to read the rest. Let's proceed to the application form. So I'm not going to apply, so I just want to show you what it looks like, okay? So you apply with your name, last name, middle name, what you prefer to by pronoun, your gender, nationality, your resident, your address, province, city, postal code. You have all of this. And let's get down experience. You have to put in your experience here, past experiences, academic level, you put in here, and you have your passport details, drug test, and every other thing, driver license if you have. Now you need a cover letter and a resume. So when research, apply and keep following Ask Adele.
And that is how you go about it. So Interac is a dispatch company in Japan that recruits teachers from all over the world, mostly in English-speaking countries. Or maybe if you have been taught, you went to school, like you went to school for 12 years and you were taught in the English language, you are eligible to apply. So I believe you've seen that and you know, and if you think you can apply, please go and try it, okay? Go and try it. No opportunity, don't wait for an opportunity to slip past your finger because you think you're not capable. No, try your best and leave the rest, okay? Because keep trying and you don't know, tomorrow you might be favored. No one knows, right? Yes, so just keep trying, apply. And if you don't have a TOEFL certificate, I dropped a video, you can check my channel. I dropped a video on how to pass the TOEFL certificate test, okay? You will need it. You need it. You either need an English teaching certificate or a TOEFL certificate. So go and check how to get that done. Okay, thank you very much for watching and thank you for supporting me. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and we will be dropping more for you. Thank you for watching.